Welcome to the DOLA iPad Scanner Setup Guide. This guide is designed to help clinicians take 3D foot scans for the ordering of custom foot orthotics. In this video, we will show you how to attach your scanner, set up the apps, calibrate your scanner, and ensure all of your software is updated. Each iPad model has a different bracket size. To attach the scanner to the bracket, please follow the instructions provided with purchase. To connect the scanner to the iPad, please undo the clip and secure the bracket. Be sure to align the aperture in the bracket with the iPad camera and connect the cable. In steps 3, 4 and 5, we will download and install 3 apps. Step 3. Download the Structure Sensor app from the App Store and follow the instructions on the app, which may include a firmware update. Step 4. Download the Structure Sensor Calibrator app from the App Store and follow the calibration instructions in the app. Step 5. Download the 3D Size Me app from the App Store. Step 6. We will now update your scanning software with the latest DOLA scanning bundle, including our prescription forms and settings. This is a demonstration of the process. Open the 3D Size Me scanning app. In the top left corner, swipe the TechMed 3D logo to the right and select Settings from the menu. In the Bundle ID section, press Click to Set and select the plus icon and enter the bundle name $001 and press OK. The app will automatically retrieve the software update and prompt you to restart the app. You now have access to the DOLA iPad scanning and prescription app for custom and prefab orthotics for health professionals. Step 7. To ensure you receive a copy of the orders for your clinical records, update your email address. This is a demonstration of the process. Open the 3D Size Me scanning app. In the top left-hand corner, swipe the DOLA logo to the right and select Settings from the menu. Scroll down to Default Email Recipients and click in the box next to support@dolaorthotics.com. Add your email address here and be sure to separate emails with a semicolon and leave the support@dolaorthotics.com. This will ensure your order is submitted to DOLA Orthotics and you'll also receive a copy for your clinical records. Press the cross icon in the top right corner to return to the main menu and your scanner is now ready for use. For information on how to scan and prescribe using the DOLA iPad scanner, please refer to the DOLA iPad Scanner User Guide video and our prescription resources. For daily education and training, follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and for more information, visit dolaorthotics.com.